I'm often asked by artists how they can start selling their own artwork. What do they need to do to approach their first buyer? Things that are going to make them look professional and get that sale. I know as a hobbyist it can be extremely daunting and terrifying actually to think about putting your artwork out there and starting to think about your art as a professional. So I've put together a list of 10 topics that I'm going to touch on, things I've learned along the way, and they're going to be helpful to you, I think, at least to give you a starting point and things that you can tweak and work on. So watch this video if you are thinking about taking that brave step into the world of selling your art. Number one is claim your creative home base. Relying only on social media means your art lives on rented land. Algorithms change, accounts get buried. Yes, Instagram, we're looking at you. A personal website is your home on the internet. It shows you're serious and gives people one place to find you anytime. It's about building trust. So how do you do this in a way that's not too complicated? Use a no-code website builder like Pixpa. This will help you quickly create a clean portfolio, biography, and even a shop without any coding. You can start simple, then grow it as your art career develops. So let's see how quickly you can set up that first artist page with Pixpa. So here we are on the Pixpa site, and you can immediately see the clean, visual-driven looking templates. Really very attractive. Very easy to navigate around the site as well. Pick out the category of template perhaps you're interested in, store or portfolio. I'm going to look at the art and illustration templates, and because I want something simple, I'm going to start with this portfolio template here. And then you can select your color palette so your whole site looks nice and consistent. And then the fonts. Alright, so these are the images that are preloaded. You can obviously change them. You can add a contact page, very easy. And then you get some directions you can have a look at. Alright, let's get some images uploaded. So select a few of your painting images, pop them in, change the descriptions. Very easy to do as well. I find the whole site extremely intuitive. So if you've handled a cell phone or social media, this will be easy as well. You can check out the mobile view, change your biography as well, add elements very simply by just dragging and dropping some customer testimonials. That would look good as well. Maybe add a product page for your paintings or other products. And there it is. A nice contact page. And you can add your own custom domain name as well. And to try Pixpa for free, just use my link in the description below. Number two is have a clear and consistent artist bio. This matters because people want to connect with the artist, not just the art. So a clear, friendly bio helps them remember you and feel confident sharing your work. Also, building trust once again. So write in your own voice. Mention what inspires you, the mediums you enjoy, the type of collectors or projects you're open to. Keep a short headline bio for your social media, but a longer, warmer one for your website. Number three is use professional looking photos for your work. This matters because even the most beautiful art can look amateurish if photographed poorly. Good images are essential for online sales, press features, exhibitions, even your social media. How do you go about this? Well, first of all, natural light. neutral backgrounds, and a tripod go a long way. On your website, present each work clearly with titles, sizes, and prices where relevant. Number 4 is brand your visuals. This matters because a consistent look in colors, fonts, and photo styles makes your work recognizable and memorable. You don't want a website that looks like a whole mess. So picking 2 or 3 colors and a couple of fonts and sticking to them throughout your website and social posts, even printed materials, will be a great help. And Pixpa templates on your website make it easy to maintain this consistency. Number 5 is create a simple portfolio structure. If your portfolio is messy or hard to navigate, visitors leave quickly. A well-organized gallery makes your work feel more collectible. Also, building trust. So how to do this? Group your artworks by a theme or medium or year, and limit your online portfolio to your best 20 to 30 works. Quality over quantity. Number 6 is make it easy for people to contact you. Seems obvious, doesn't it? Opportunities can slip away if potential buyers or collaborators can't find your email or a contact form. I suggest using a contact form because you don't want to be spammed with your email either. So a clear contact page on your website with a form leading to your email will give you an easy way for collectors to contact you. 7, offer something for free. A freebie can start relationships with future collectors or students if you're teaching. This builds trust and keeps you in people's minds. How you can do this? You can offer, for example, a free wallpaper download of your art, a short painting guide, or behind-the-scenes PDF in exchange for an email address. Many website builders, including Pixpa, integrate a mailing list into your forms. Share the story behind your work. This is point number 8, and it matters because collectors love stories. Sharing your inspiration and process makes your work more valuable in their eyes, and it's more likely they're going to share their email with you as well, which is going to lead to more sales. So post stories on your website, in your social media. Keep it natural. People don't expect poetry, just honesty. Number 9 is make sales simple. And this matters because if someone has to email you and wait days for a reply, you might lose the sale. Having a checkout page on your website can also speed up that sale. So when you're working on your website, add a buy now button or an inquire button so people can inquire about your paintings. You don't have to sell every piece, but have a few available with clear prices and an easy payment process. With Pixpa, you can integrate an e-commerce system very quickly with a few clicks. Number 10 is to keep showing up. Professionalism is about consistency, not perfection. So regular updates makes your work visible, makes your website trustworthy. Set up a simple rhythm. Update your site once a month, post on social media every week, send an email every month. You don't have to be everywhere, just reliably present, and this builds trust. Now, I mentioned giving away a freebie as well. Basically, building up an email list is an excellent way to keep in touch with potential collectors. If somebody provides you with their email list, they are inviting communication. Don't abuse it, of course, but when you have new art coming out, or you've got an exhibition, or you just want to tell somebody a story about your new painting and how it was created, send out an email and you'll get more interest and be on top of mind. It might just be the right time where somebody is looking for a painting. Well, I hope these tips have given you a few things to consider, maybe tweak some aspects of your whole process. Start from the beginning if you have to, but start, that's the main thing. It's just trying out and fine-tuning, maybe getting rid of some things that are distraction and focusing on what works. Finding out what works, of course, is the trick, and you have to start and work at it and discover the magic. All right, so let me know how it goes. If you have a few tips you can share as well that may be helpful to other artists, put those in the comments. Also, be sure to check out the special offer in the description from Pixpa. They have a great system set up for artists, photographers, and other creatives as well. Check it out, it'll be worth your while. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more entrepreneurial videos like this or want me to go deeper into certain topics. Also, let me know in the comments and I will make those videos in the future. Well, until next time, keep on painting and cheers for now.